Los Angeles, along with many community allies, including parents and students, are running the Sunset Gauntlet, which is a caravan of teachers all the way from Chinatown to West Hollywood.
Every day keeps getting stronger and stronger. We keep getting more and more organized. There's more and more support. More people across the country are paying attention.
Every day, less kids are going to school because the parents are wanting to support us and getting information, real information, not the fake information that Austin Buhner is putting out.
I am a special education teacher for preschool, and we need more resources. We're not here for the money, we just want a smaller classroom.
This is what I deal with every day. I love my students, but there are just so many of them that the ones that I'm able to meet the individual needs for are the ones who are the loudest. This increase in teachers is going to take money, but where are you going to spend your money? In the prisons or with us?
My parents walked the picket line in '89 as high schoolers, and so I'm doing the same thing. And yeah, I think that it's really important that we focus on the success of public schools, especially in a society that's so driven by money when we don't have any money for our schools.
Somehow, against all the rain and against all the walking we've had to do and against all the bad news coming out of our superintendent and district, our spirits are amazingly high.